In previous video, I have showed you how to make Saudi electricity declaration under your Iqama. In this video, we will see how we can make installment plan for the due amount. I will link that last video on top, right, my button. Go check it out if you haven't seen that. Log into your Saudi electricity account. As you can see, here is my due amount. Click on my services. If you're new to my channel, please take a few seconds and subscribe. Scroll down and find installment plans. Click on it. Click Create New. Here it will show you the contract account. Click on it, and status, it says eligible. It has to be eligible to make installment plan. Click Next Step to continue. Here, select the installment period. You can select 3 to 6 months. I chose 6. Scroll down. Here is the installment schedule. A monthly installment will be 203 Rial. Once you confirm, click Submit. You will receive a verification code on your mobile number. Enter the verification code. Wait for it to complete. It may take a few seconds. As you can see, your installment plan activation request has been created successfully. I have sent request, and it may take up to 24 to 48 hours. Here you can see the status, which is in progress. Please take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, please follow me. It's been 48 hours, and my request has been accepted. As you can see, the current due amount is 0. Let's go and check the request status. Scroll down. Here you can see the installment plan status has a check mark, which means it's been accepted. Click on it to view more. Here you can see the request status. It says completed, and if you scroll down, here you can see number of installments selected was 6. Let's go to my bills and check it over there. As you can see, that due amount, it is 0. My upcoming bill will also include the first installment amount. Note, you can only request installment plan if you have declared the electricity account under your Iqama. If you haven't done that, please check my previous video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching.